weapon. Everybody ain't connected. Everybody ain't the enemy. Everybody ain't out here to see.
So stay tuned for today. Alright, y'all, so I'm at work in my new job. I'm a mood lifter. Check that out. Anyway, Kindling, mood lifter, front desk associate, the baddest. Bye. Alright, y'all, so I just got off work. I'm finna go home and fucking try on some outfits for tonight, refix my edges, work on my homework, and once I finish all of that, if I still have time, I'm gonna take a nap. Hey everybody! So right now I'm just fixing my edges. I'm gonna actually probably like spray them because they're tripping right now, and I need to look good at the big cuz mixer, and I need to look good for this audition, baby. Play about yourself. Okay, so I'm done. Bada boom, bada bam. I'm gonna tie this down. First I'm gonna spray some got to be glued. It's the key to a black woman's dream to tie up her hair. Spray some got to be glued. Bam. I'm about to hop in the shower so I can find something to wear tonight. Well, I already found two things. I'm gonna see which one I like for you. All right, y'all. So I'm back. Record and do this at the same time.
I need love.
Why are you in here? Go spend time.
I'm trying to spend time with shit.
Go spend time.
Spend time with who?
With your woman before you go.
Finna go to work.
Y'all, so I'm gonna be featuring them on my channel. So
y'all follow me on Instagram at BIGGAZIAA.
Or about to say, so this is how my outfit looks right about now. It's very much giving baddie B. I just cannot get over this, y'all. This bra is what I'm gonna start with is this big boy right here. I actually really like this bag, y'all, because before this my shit was not organized and it was very hard to find my makeup, so this is for sure an upgrade. Okay, so I got all of this on there. But yeah, that's pretty much my makeup routine. Oh, and now I gotta spray it. Honestly, I've been enjoying this matte spray. You can't see it now because I lit the bottle, but it's like a black little matte spray. All right, y'all, I'm running late, but this is what my actual outfit turned out: a crop top, some leather pants, and my high top. All right, y'all, so I'm here and I'm nervous as freak. So wish me luck, even though I'm gonna have already went in there in the first place by the time y'all see this video. But y'all, nervous and scared, but I'm gonna give it a shot. This is my first time trying out for anything like this or auditioning for anything like this. Shout out to Fashion Night Out. I'm super excited. stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all the results and the updates. Bye. Okay. What's your Instagram? Hey, cousin. Go fuck with her.
Why you mad, ho? Why you mad, ho? Why you mad, ho? Get back.
Why you mad, ho?
They don't know what your IG is.
Hey, my name is Kay Kruger, K-A-E-K-R-U-G-E-R. Make sure y'all put it
Y'all, this shit looks so good. Bro, she's a clown. I got me a little drink. It's called the water. I got me a sunrise. It's called the Hunt or some shit like that. But this whole bus is.
Yes, sir. Turn that shit up. Look, hey, let me tell you something about a nigga like me. Got my first goal when I turned 17. You know what I'm saying? And we got our own rising stars. So just like we get behind the legends, just like we get behind the hit makers, we gotta get behind our rising stars. Man, we got a little pat in this big pat. What's up?
I go bananas when I'm in the mood. Lately been feeling like a junkie, pump it up like a zombie. You know that I'm nasty, you know that I struck out your zone, but I'm on.
Yes, sir.
No, if we can find me some more diamonds, they gon' hate that. I can fly helicopters, nigga, listen. Hey, from the block to doing shows, what a racket. Niggas always asking what a nigga did for another nigga.
Alright, y'all, before I tap out, I just want to say my motherfucking head is about to explode. I'm tired as fuck. I'm gonna give today a 8. Just a quick little reflection. Honestly, I'm exhausted from everything right now, y'all. And I want to cry, but I'm gonna cry on the way home. So luckily, y'all won't have to experience that. The funny thing is, I just want to sit and talk to y'all for a second. So this is my year. And I've been knew that this is my year. But I spent so much of this year wondering if this is my year when God already told me that this is my year. And I hate to get emotional with y'all, but I can't let another year go by that I miss out on my blessing and my dream taking off because I'm too scared to believe in myself. So for anybody out there watching, take yourself seriously. Stop letting other people's negative energy and the way that they feel about themselves overcrowd your dreams and stop you from getting to the point that God has destined you to be. He didn't give me these talents for no reason. And no matter what the outcome may be, whether I win today or tomorrow, next month, next year, I know that what I'm doing is aligned with my purpose. And nothing from this point on is going to get in my way of winning. Period, point blank. I deserve everything in the world. Everything positive in the world. I've done nothing but be a good person to people. I've done nothing but love people. I've done nothing but give 100% of myself 100% of the time. And even when I'm at 0%, I still give 100%. So, what I want to say before I go to sleep is never let nobody stop you from getting to where God has destined you to be. And nobody could take your spot when it comes to that, because if God declared it and made it for you, it's for you. Nobody else can touch it. It's my time. And from now the fuck on, y'all stay tuned. I'm not playing no games. I'm doing me because I know what God put me on this earth to do. And that's to make clothes and inspire people and give back to my community. Kendalina Dia is checking out my vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another day in the life vlogs, makeup videos, and my new drop. I just came up with one while I was up in here. Stay tuned. Love you guys. Sending y'all peace and love. Go pray. Bye.